Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Very quick one today, probably the shortest video I've ever done. Today we're announcing the winner of my Neewer AF macro extension tube giveaway. So this is probably the easiest giveaway I'm ever going to have to announce. I released a video just over a week or so ago and basically said leave a comment if you're from the UK and say what you fancy using the macro tubes for and you might win. That video's had over 100 views, more than 10 comments, 10 likes, 0 dislikes, and of the lot only one person actually put their name down to win the tubes, so I don't need to do a random comment generator. Thomas Wright, congratulations, you've won a set of extension tubes. So do get in touch, hit me up on Instagram, it's probably the easiest one, just at Famau Media, and yeah, tell me what system you're on and I'll get a set of extension tubes ordered and sent your way. So there we go. Thomas, congratulations. Yeah, I'm a man of my word. If I'm going to say I'm giving something away, I'm going to give it away. If you decide not to leave a comment, then you're not going to win. It's as easy as that. Thomas commented and he was the only one, so there we go. So I'm going to leave it there. I might do some more giveaways in the future. We'll see how the channel progresses. Coming up fairly soon, I have a new drone. I've also been sent over a video light casting that purple hue in the background. It's the R1 from Andy Sin, or Andy Cine. So I'll be reviewing that very soon as well, especially compared to the Aperture MC, as well as numerous other things coming up as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Do hit subscribe if you want to see those ones. Again, congratulations Thomas. See you in the next video.